This tutorial looks at how to prepare, facet, a research question for use in a database search. Once we have a research question, we need to break it down so we can create an effective database search. We do this by dividing it into its major concepts, sometimes called facets. Each concept forms one part of the search string. Typically, we'll have 2 or 3 concepts to search. If we have more than 3 concepts, it may be best not to search the least specific one, and keep it in mind as we select the articles from our search results. Don't be afraid to try searching more than 3 search concepts, but be prepared to remove one if you get too few results. If we have a concept that's easily described with one word, we may need only one search term for that concept. However, in our example search, we are working with a concept, ESL, that is described in many ways. For that reason, we create a string of near synonyms and join them using OR. Our database will find any article that contains at least one of the terms. Another benefit of laying a search out in a table like this is, if we decide to search another database, we can copy and paste our terms with minimal changes from the table into the new database. Once we've listed our search terms for each concept, we can combine them using AND so we retrieve only articles that include all of our search concepts. One way to combine search terms is in the search history. These other tutorials show how to do this in EBSCO and ProQuest databases. However, for this tutorial, we'll combine our searches in the advanced search box. We copy the search set for each concept and paste them into the search boxes. We make sure that each of the search boxes is joined by AND, the default. We'll do our initial search with only our first 3 concepts to see how many results we get before adding our 4th concept. We have 230 results, so we decide to add a row and search our 4th concept. We limit our results to scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Finally, we review our results. Depending on the number and quality of results, we may want to go back and change our search terms. For example, changing feedback to instructor feedback will narrow the type of feedback we're searching. This ends the tutorial.